you can say exactly, you are right. Nice, right? Just you have to play with words in English, then English will be very simple for you. Hello icons, I am Indrajit and you are watching Iconic Indra. In this video we are going to learn what to say when you agree. Okay, just casually or normally when you agree, then what to say in English. We are going to learn this today. So let's commence. What to say when you agree in English. Okay, so what to say when you agree in English, casually, normally. Okay, suppose you are talking to your friend, then you are going to agree with your friends, then what you can say to replace I agree with you. Okay, first one, you can simply say yes, you are right. Okay, instead of saying I agree with you, you can say yes, you are right. Or you can add something like yes, you are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. Right. Okay. Or you can say yes, you are completely right. You have to play with words normally. Just free talk, small talk, you have to add to express your speech in a different way. Okay, just play with words like yes, you are completely right. You are completely right. Okay, next you just modify some words like that. Number 4, you can say, how can we modify this? You can say like true. Okay, true. Just say true. Someone spoke something, then you can say true. That's true. Okay, like that's true. 5, that's true. Okay, so you can simply say like true or that's true. So you can use this kind of sentences instead of saying I agree with you. Number 6, I am going to write this. Number 6, you can say previously I told you true or that's true. Okay, so you can say now that's always true. That's always true. Instead of saying I agree with you or true simply, then you can add something that's always true. Whatever you are saying, okay, just add whatever you are saying. Whatever you are saying. Okay, next you can say exactly. Just say exactly. Exactly. Okay, number 7, you can say when you agreed something, then you can say when you agreed with something, then you can say exactly. Okay, or you can add something, exactly, you are right. Okay, you can say exactly, you are right. Nice, right? Just you have to play with words in English, then English will be very simple for you. Next, you can say I completely agree with you. Instead of saying just I agree with you, I completely agree with you. Okay, so you can say I completely agree with you instead of saying just I agree with you. Next, you can say 100% I agree with you. Yes, 100%. 100% I agree with you. You can simply say like I agree with you. I agree with you. If you add just 100% before I agree with you, it will emphasize whatever you are going to speak or whatever you spoke, and also it enhances your speeches, your way of talking in English. So that's why you can use it easily. Just see, not bombastic word, right? It is very simple. Just 100%. 100% I agree with you, or 100% I completely agree with you. Okay, so you have to play with words in English, that's it. Or you can say number 10, I strongly agree with you. Yes, when you think that it is damn sure, then you can say simply like that, I strongly agree with you. Okay, I strongly agree with you. Can you understand? Next, number 11. Last one was I strongly agree with you, right? The 11th one is I really agree with you. I really agree with you. Again, you can simply say I agree with you, but if you use really before agree with you, it will emphasize your way of talking in English and it enhances your skill in English. Okay, that's why I always suggest you that use some simple word like strongly, really, completely agree with you to enhance your way of talking, enhance your skill, enhance your spoken English skills. Got it? That's why I always insist you. Oh, that is the lovely one, that you can say I can't agree with you more. Just add can't and more. It will really emphasize your way of talking in English. Like I can't agree with you more. That means whatever you agreed, that is the utmost level, that is the top level, topmost level. Okay, so you simply say I can't agree with you more. That means whatever you agreed, that is the topmost level of you. Okay, so you are very satisfied. So you can simply say I can't agree with you more. Then the other people can understand you that you are satisfied with this agreement. Next, you can say like I comply with you. I comply with you. That means agree. Okay, I comply with you. That means I agree with you. Simply you can say comply is a synonym of agree. 14. I was about to say. This is the nice one. I was about to say. That means whatever your friend or other people said to you, next you just say I was about to say that. That means you are agreed. I was about to say that. I was about to say that. Okay, or I was about to say. That means you are agreed with your friend or with the other people's statement. And last but not the least, that is 15 number. I suppose so. I suppose so. That means you are agree partially, little low, but you are agreed. I suppose so. That means you are agreed partially or with not 100% but with 60% or 70%. Then you can say I suppose so. When you have doubt on something, then you can say I suppose so. That means you are partially agreed, not fully agreed. Okay. So these are the small talks or phrases, simple phrases you can use instead of saying I agree with you, or when you are agree, then you can say in English like this. Very simple sentences, but it will enhance your spoken English skills in interview or in class or in college. Okay. So this is the wrap of my video. I hope that this video has helped you a lot, and thank you very much for watching this video. And one request to you, that if you like this video, so then please give me a thumbs up, because it motivates me to upload a lot of videos like this. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic Indra, because in this channel I upload a lot of helpful videos for you guys. Okay, and take care, stay safe, stay sound. See you soon in another helpful video. Till then, enjoy English learning.